Dear participants, today's another session is important session of Vidya Mitra, one of the important project created by the Information Library Network Center Ahmedabad with the support of the National Mission on Education through ICT, Government of India, Ministry of HRD. So under this session, this is the InfluMNet Center homepage. Here you have to see different options are there in the bar or home about InfluMNet, and the major activities, conventions, library, publications, etc. Other things are there. So here you have to select the major activities. Under the major activities, you have to select the Vidya Mitra. In this slide, home page is you select it, Vidya Mitra. The page will show like this. This is the home page, Vidya Mitra. So, what is Vidya Mitra? Vidya Mitra is a content portal, integrated e-content portal of the Ministry of HRD, developed by the Information Library Network Center Ahmedabad. Useful for the UG students, PG students, research scholars, teachers, faculty members, academicians, and lifelong learners. In this portal, there are a lot of subjects, videos, e-text of the all subjects, arts, science, humanities, engineering available. So it will be useful for all the persons. So you may see this slide under this second slide, third slide. Shows that the slide option to search whether the subject, any particular subject department, or title of the content to type in this box. For example, physics or chemistry, the main area. Under this, chemistry, analytical chemistry. So like that. In major area, physics means quantum physics, materials management, like that. So you may type it here and select your topic and search the content. So the next slide, fourth slide shows that, or otherwise advanced search options. In this, if you scroll it down, the advanced search option available like this. Here you will select title or institute, subject. On the other hand, you have to select it. You are a UG student means you selected the UG option or PG option also. So according to your main area, you select it and search it. So the next slide here, fifth one is, when you scroll down the page, you may see this page, the fifth slide. Scroll down the previous page. See this under this page is the left side column indicate arts, humanities and languages, engineering and technology, physical sciences, basic sciences, medical and allied health sciences, life science, social science, and last the secondary and senior secondary school students. Further, they can, these things are provided to the people. All these subject covers under this InfluMNet Vidya Mitra portal. So that all type of persons from primary, from secondary level students to postgraduate level students, academicians, faculty members, they will see this and utilize this Vidyamitra portal very effectively. This is very efficiently created for that all community subjects, all the peoples. So now the next slide will show this under this slide number 6, Vidyamitra. When you scroll down here, if you select arts humanities languages under the previous slide, the details are given below, subject wise, like displayed below, like first year functional English, first year grammar, poetry, second year grammar, poetry, astrophysics, architecture, biography, biotechnology, chemistry, management, other languages, etc. available according to your subject. You select it. You select it and view that content or video, e-text, whatever it is available. Okay. So we will go to the next slide. The next slide will show that when you, after selecting the arts and humanity languages, there are under this astrophysics, one of the topic you have selected, astrophysics, there are two options. It will show the number of courses and then you select whether BA or BSc according to your subject major. You select it here. Okay. So we will move to the next slide. Here, then it will display like this. Total number of 15 records available under this main title of the subject, the course, subject, demonstrator name, and institute who contributing this program, content. So complete details given here. So you may click it in that this slide. You see that the 9th slide, the video indication is there. Here e-tutorial, you select it. If you select the e-tutorial, right side corner of the symbol, it will display the video like this. It will display the video of the subject under the astrophysics. Under the astro main physics we have selected. So the demonstrator will complete video of the lecture, particular topic. Lecture is 40 minutes or 1 hour, whatever it is, it will be displayed in the YouTube. The link also given in this there. So the share option also available in the right side corner. So it will if you want to watch later, you select the right side corner, that symbol, and also you share among your classmates, friends too also. Okay. So the next slide, number 11, refine search from right side selection. See that this is another video content from the biotechnology. We previously seen that physics subject, physics. So this is the another topic of, if you select it in the another topic, biotechnology, content of the video lecture, you are seeing this. Okay. So like that, one by one you may click it and see that all full text content also. If you don't want the e-tutorial, you may select the e-text only. Okay. So this is the video lecture, and you may if you want the content, you may download it or otherwise you may see that video lecture and you share it or watch later also. There are options are given here. So then next slide, the uploaded contents. Uploaded content, you may click it in the top here you may select the uploaded content and technical institutes who contributing videos. These are reputed institutions in India with IIT, IIM, like that. So you may, after selecting the particular institution, or it will also the same, you scroll down that, see that they are providing institution, what are the content they are providing in this. Okay, so that next slide also, slide number 14, also expose the poetry on poetry. On the other hand, you see the e-text, e-tutorial video, web resources, that right side options are given. If you want to see the languages subject, languages, under the languages in a poetry, you select it. In if you want to see the e-text, you right side given here, e-text or e-tutorial video or web resources, you select it. Okay, so we will move to the next slide and for how to upload content for the faculties for uploading content. This area will be for the faculty members. Here, interested faculty members of the higher educational institutions may create their own space under this Vidyamitra portal for uploading of their contents like text, video format also. So they can type and upload the contents of their subjects, chapter wise syllabus, chapter wise you may upload, or you are recording lectures also you may upload in this video format. So first of all, they have to create login ID. They have to register and create a login ID. So they register in this platform. The next slide will show that the new registration of that Vidyamitra under MySpace. So see this, under this you register your details, sign up, the pink bar, that light gray orange color status bar will show. Okay, you select it and sign up here, and after that you select it here. Under this select your new, now you have to select the UG or PG or other subjects, which portion, which area you are covering for UG students or PG students or others common platform. So you select it first, and here I have selected the others option, and also extend and enter the email ID, password, name and other information, and save it now. Okay, so after saving this one, the next slide will show after successful registration. Okay, after successful registration, this slide shows the indication like that. Registration so like this, and the verification email also sent to your registered email and registered email. I am explaining the step by step, so the faculty members may utilize this facility, and you are recognized by the Ministry of HRD under this platform. So you may utilize this. So this slide will show the email Acharya email verification code sent to you. The link also given here, where the verification email sent to your registered email ID, whereas the link given here, that is URL. So you click the URL, click the link in your mail, that will show like this. So if you click the link of the URL, it will display like this as your space, that is my space. So here, whereas you modify or update your profile, you have to modify or update your profile password. You may change it to your password, other details one by one, and select your main subject. Select your main subject, highlighted in the blue text, highlighted in the blue color, highlighted. So due to some time concern, I am explaining shortly. So please bear with us. Say, so contribute your content. Select it. See this. After selecting the main area, it will show the contribute your content. You type the complete details here. All the top slides selected, contribute your content button, it will display like this slide. Now you fill this form and upload your text or video etc from your desktop, and submit button is there on that below. You see the submit button. So you submit that. So after submission, it will be analyzed by the Vidyamitra team, and then after analyzing, the acceptance will be sent to you. Then and after that, it will be uploaded in the Vidyamitra portal. Okay, so with this slide I conclude my session. And this site is one of the important and recognized platform of the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. So the faculty may take interest and contribute for the benefit of the society, and the students, lifelong learners, UG, PG students, you may utilize this portal. If you are absent in your class, any particular subject, you may select it in this portal, particular area, and you will see the e-tutorial and listen the lecture. It will be very useful, and wherever you go, you may browse it and see. So it is one of the time-saving option. And wherever you may go, you may utilize this and see this Vidyamitra, one of the important project of the MHRD, Government of India, good initiative. So with this, I thank you for the patient listening of the viewers. All the best. Thank you very much.